if the number is divisible by 4. So how can we say if a number is divisible by 4? So the rule is the last two digits are 0 or the last two digits are multiples of 4. Ano ba ibig sabihin pag sinabing multiples? Multiples of 4, yung 0, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, etc. So yun yung mga multiples of 4. If the last two digits are these numbers, then therefore, it is divisible by 4. So let's see. So we have 9,036 here, and the last two digits are 36, and 36 is a multiple of 4. Therefore, it is divisible by 4. Okay? So 21,224. So the last two digits are 24, and 24 is also a multiple of 4. Therefore, we can divide this by 4 without remainder. 92,300. Sabi rito, the last two digits are 0 or the last two digits are multiples of 4. In this case, the last two digits are 0. Therefore, it is also divisible by 4. Then the last one is 41,029. The last two digits are 29. And 29 is not a multiple of 4. Okay? It's actually a prime number. And it's not a multiple of 4. Therefore, this number, 41,029, cannot be divided by 4 na walang remainder. Okay? So, this is not divisible by 4.